finishing up this one?
Well, yeah, I mean, just keep on advancing on everything else. Busy's knocking out the secondary headers for the linings. We're making 2 kits off of 1 truck, so we're getting that done, and then just keep on working on this one.
What's left with this one?
Well, headers, get the headers done.
This is a header shop, I think.
Like I told you, dude, right now it's 1, 2, well, technically 3 total, 4. I got another header job coming in.
Really?
Yeah.
What car?
That's a Gasser 55 Bel Air. The same owner as this one. He has another car. That's gonna go to drag week. That's what this originally was, and I'm gonna set up the whole turbo kit and the whole car for drag week, but we're not gonna run drag week this year with this car.
Like to make it street legal and all that?
It is street legal. It has vending, it has everything. It has
Dude.
insurance, so obviously, you know, you gotta put methanol or E98 or, you know, race gas. But for the street, they turn it all the way down and they put 93 in it so they can actually drive it. You know what I mean? So once you get to your destination, you do your whole process of taking, you know, putting new spark plugs in it, you know, basically making it race ready, and put your tune-up in it and let it eat. So.
Have you ever done drag week?
I personally no. This should be my first time going with the customer in his 55.
Herschel?
Yeah, Herschel. Yeah, Herschel. So we'll be going with his. They call it the Twisted 55.
So then headers on this one, and
Yeah, headers, and then once we're done with the headers, I'll connect it to the turbo, and once that part is done, then we'll start with the intercooler and everything else. So basically right now what I'm trying to do is, you know, since we got a momentum of nothing but stainless, might as well get everything knocked out and then switch to aluminum, so we do the intercooler and all that stuff. So
makes sense.
just a process, you know. Map it out a little bit, you know, it makes it a little bit easier. And everybody kind of knows what's going on, you know, you, busy, the wifey, so it's kind of a process of elimination kind of deal.
And these are the headers for the ZL1.
Yeah.
Jose put in a late nighter. Get this going. Stark on staff today. So how do you go about making headers? Is it different for every vehicle?
I mean, yeah. I guess you could say it's different every vehicle. I mean, every vehicle is obviously gonna have its obstacles, you know. My biggest thing is to make sure you'll be able to work around them. So like, the biggest thing a lot of people forget is to like be able to actually do maintenance on it. So like, change your spark plugs, you know what I mean? That's like your main key. And I feel like a lot of people don't take time to actually make sure that you can actually fit like a socket and extension or wrench, anything. That's my biggest pet peeve, is to make sure that you can actually wrench on the car.
Serviceable.
Yeah, it's serviceable, yeah, exactly. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, really. So.
Like with the Lightning, the steering column was a big part of the obstacle.
Yeah, there's some times and we don't have that luxury. But,
Yeah.
I mean, it is what it is. I mean, we try our best to make sure that not just us, but anyone can actually just wrench on it. You know what I mean?
Go. Have you ever had like a welding truck set up?
Welding truck?
Like a mobile setup?
Now, eventually what I want to do is, once we get our big enclosed trailer, I'll have like an actual welding station and stuff set up there. So it's not just for us, like if we break something or something happens, but like any other racers always need something. I mean, something always needs to get repaired, so.
This is the last of the Camaro headers, and then you just gotta do the collector.
Yep. Yep. Once I'm done with this, then we can put the collector on there, or form the collector, or not form the collector, but like prep the collector, get that ready to go, and then we can start on the crossover, which hopefully that shouldn't be too bad.
The crossover?
Yeah.
What's the crossover?
Which is when you connect the headers to the turbo.
Oh.
We call crossover.
Ah.
Not too bad. That's good. All the way around. People call it hot side, people call it crossover. Connecting headers to turbo, I don't fucking know. Whatever. Whatever terms is out there, I don't give a shit.